Hello friends, we'll be understanding the concept of meaning of elasticity now. Now, this concept of meaning of elasticity will be described in one specific manner. It will just give you the details of what exactly elasticity means and how it will be related to demand and supply. Now, the meaning of elasticity speaks that elasticity refers to the ratio of relative change in the dependent variable to the relative change in the independent variable. That is, the elasticity is the relative change in the dependent variable divided by the elasticity or other relative change in the independent variable. Now, whatever variable is dependent, if there is certain change in that, what is the effect of that on the independent variable? So if dependent variable is changing slightly, how much effect will it have on the independent variable, or will it have any effect or not? To determine that thing, we understand the elasticity of it. Now, for example, the ratio of percentage change in quantity demanded to percentage change in some other factors like price or income. So if quantity demanded is something that we're taking and this is taken over price, so if quantity is changing, then it depends if the price is changing or not. For example, if the quantity demanded is more, so this is a dependent variable and it depends on the price. So price is an independent variable. If the quantity is changing, will the price remain the same, or will there be any change in not, or rather will there be any change in the price or not, is something that we have to understand. To understand that concept, or rather that term itself, is known as elasticity. So this is what elasticity means, with variable change in the dependent variable, or rather slightest change in the dependent variable, and the effect of it on the independent variable here. This is what you need to understand when it comes to meaning of elasticity. Thank you.